Hi, I'm Todd Cooperrider with Esoteric, and welcome to our FAQ series. Today's question is, can I put ceramic coating on top of my PPF? For the most part, yes. There are coatings out there specifically designed for PPF. You know, look at a surface film coat from Kamikaze, for instance. It was designed specifically to go on top of film. But that doesn't mean that you have to use that kind of product. It is going to be a little bit easier in the application than a traditional coating, but the traditional coatings are going to work fine as well. Now, the only instances you may run into is you get a film like ESOTERIC that has a coating built into it. You're going to find that it wants to reject the coating on there because it already has something built into it. But if you look at the really popular brands out there, the Expels, the Suntex, we've never seen any kind of issues whatsoever with bonding on top of paint protection film. Now, having said that, one thing that you got to keep in mind is that coating is not going to have the same kind of durability on PPF as it is on a painted surface. You might give up 25% of your durability going on top of a PPF, so you want to make sure that you're doing a really good job in properly maintaining that coating afterwards. Speaking of, to get the most out of your coating, we're going to link you to a couple of videos here that talks about some of the do's and don'ts, products that you want to use, products that you don't want to use, so that you can get maximum durability.